Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, we're back with another session for ESIC Deputy Director. And guys, this is language comprehension session number 11. And today we are again going to discuss some very important MCQs for your exam. So without any further ado, let's jump into the session, guys. Before we begin, I would like to inform you that you can join our Telegram channel so that you can get all the PDFs of these sessions, all the questions for free. And the link for the Telegram channel has been given in the description of the video. And you can also join our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any of the videos that we provide you. Subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel for more content and for more practice sessions. So let's begin, guys. We'll be solving 15 important multiple choice questions which could be thrown at you in the exams. So first question is, you have to find the appropriate meaning of the underlined idiom. So the question is, she felt like a fish out of water at her new job. So fish out of water, what does that mean? Your options are angry and hurt, comfortable and relaxed, uncomfortable and restless, and happy and free. So fish out of water, when it cannot breathe, it is obviously uncomfortable and restless. So the correct option is option number 3. Second question, guys, select the most appropriate synonym of the given word, and the word is efficiency. So your options are disability, fluency, tendency, or capability. Guys, efficiency is basically your ability to do something or efficiently you work. So efficiency is basically capability. Disability is when you are not able to do something. Fluency is when you are fluent at something, a language or some work. And tendency is your, your desire to do something. That's tendency. Or tendency is desire for something to happen. But correct synonym here was capability. Moving ahead, guys, question number 3. Now we have to find the grammatical error in the given sentence. The question is, the venue for the wedding have not yet been finalized. So guys, this is a simple question for subject verb agreement. The subject of the sentence is venue, which is singular, and the corresponding verb is plural, which is wrong. So it should be has. The venue for the wedding has not yet been finalized. So the correct option here is option number 3. Moving ahead, guys, question number 4. Again, we have to find the grammatical error in the sentence, and the sentence is, there was enough evidence to convict him on selling of fake medicines. So I'll read it again. There was enough evidence to convict him on selling of fake medicines. What is the error here, guys? So the error is, there was enough evidence to convict him, not on, it should be for selling of fake medicines. So the correct option here is again option number 3. So the sentence should be, there was enough evidence to convict him for selling of fake medicines. Next question, guys, you have to find the correct blank for the given sentence. Dash, you mind lending me a book for a day? Would you, need you, may you, or could you? Guys, whenever we request, would you mind lending me a book for a day? Would you mind picking me up? Would you lend me a hand? We make requests using the modal would. Correct option is option number 1. Next question, guys. Now we have to find the correct improvement of the underlined part in the given sentence. And if there is no improvement, you can use no improvement. The question is, there was an argument about if we shall move to another city. There was an argument about if we shall move to another city. So options are about if we should move, on if we shall be moving, about whether we should move, or no improvement. Guys, whenever we are talking about uncertainty, when you're not sure about something, we do not use if, we use whether. So there was an argument about whether we should move to another city or not. So that is the basically the tone of the sentence. So it would be whether in place of if. Correct option here is option number 3. Moving ahead, guys, next question, you have to find the correct one-word substitution for the given word, a government by nobles. What is it called? Your options are monarchy, democracy, oligarchy, or aristocracy. Guys, the correct option here is aristocracy. Aristocrats, noble people. So a government which is formed by noble people is called aristocracy. Right. Next, guys, now we have to again find correct one-word substitution for the given word, a place where gambling games are played. Arena, stadium, casino, or gymnasium. I think that's an easy one. The correct option is casino. Casino is the place where gambling games are played. Moving ahead, guys, question number 9. Again, we have to find the correct replacement or correct improvement for the underlined part. And the question is, many a person are unable of distinguish right from wrong. Guys, always remember, if many is followed by a or an, always remember guys, the following noun will be kept singular, as well as the corresponding verb will also be kept singular. That's a rule of English grammar, that if many is followed by a or an, the following noun and following verb should be kept singular. So many a person is correct here. This is singular. Now we're talking about verb. Many a person is unable to distinguish right from wrong. Correct option here is option number 3. So that was the correct option here, guys. Next question, guys. Now we have to find again the grammatical error in the sentence. The man played the flute and led all the mouse out of the town. Yes, guys, I'll read the question again. The man played the flute and led all the mouse out of the town. I have found the error, guys. See, the plural of mouse is not mouses, it is mice. So, the man played the flute and led all the mice out of the town. So, the correct option is option number 1. It should be mice, not mouse or mouses. Plural of mouse is not mouses, it is mice. Next question, guys. Again, we have to find the correct replacement for the underlined part. And the question is, we are coping the problems with the best of our ability. So I think this is the underlined part, which is not there, but I'll underline it for you. We are coping the problems with the best of our ability. What should be the replaced part? Coping in the problems by, no improvement, coping with the problems to, or coping the problems at. So guys, coping is followed by with. So we are coping with the problems to the best of our ability. So the correct option here is option number 3, right? Moving ahead, guys, question number 12. We have to find the correct one-word substitution for the given words. A partner in crime. What is it called? Alibi, amateur, agent, or accomplice? Guys, alibi is somebody who proves that you were there. You were somewhere. Amateur is somebody who is novice, somebody who's learning something. Agent is, you know what agents are, somebody tasked with the work. And accomplice is a partner in crime. That is accomplice. So the correct option here is option number 4. Next question, guys, we have to find the correct meaning of the underlined idiom. The question is, information technology, IT has developed by leaps and bounds. So what is the meaning of the word leaps and bounds? At a rapid pace, very gradually, through unfair means, or in far off places. So by leaps and bounds means very rapidly, to grow at a rapid pace. The correct option is option number 1. Information technology has developed by leaps and bounds. It means at a rapid pace. So that is the correct option here, guys. Question number 14, we have to find correct one-word substitution of the given word. A close-fitting cover for a sword. Sword is talwar. So what is the cover of the sword called? Your options are shank, sheath, quiver, or dagger. Yes, guys. Dagger is another knife. Quiver is shake. Shank is, shank is a small knife once again, and sheath is the correct option. Sheath is called a cover for a sword. A close fitting cover for a sword is called sheath. And last question for this session, guys, we have to find again one word substitution for the given word. A doctor who treats skin diseases. Now your options are dermatologist, orthodontist, cardiologist, or ophthalmologist. The correct option here is, guys, derma. Derma is related to skin, so dermatologist is the correct answer. Guys, these were the questions, practice questions for your ICAR Deputy Director, ESIC Deputy Director, the exam for which is just around the corner. I hope you are preparing well, and I hope these sessions prove beneficial for you. If you do not want to miss any of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want the PDFs of this session for free, please join our Telegram channel, the link for which has been given in the description of the video. Guys, I thank you for joining in, for sparing your time. And guys, if you wish to contact us for any of our courses, you can call us during the office hours on this number 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. And if you want to surf through the courses, this is our website, guys, www.edutap.co.in. Thank you so much once again for joining in. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep on working hard, and happy learning to all of you.